I've prepared for you two questions in this video, so stick around to the end. Question number 1 is under a category of simplified algebraic fractions involving trigonometric ratios, and is suitable for students who are preparing for IGCSE examination. So this is from first paper. Let's get started. It says express sin theta minus sin cube theta over cos cube theta, and we have our sin theta minus sin cube theta, and this is divided by cos cube theta. So we can factor out sin theta over cos cube theta. From this Trig identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. If we make cos square theta the subject, then we're going to have 1 minus sin theta, and that is equivalent to what we have here. So let's go and replace that. Cos square theta, and we can split the denominator to cos theta times cos square theta since it is cubed. And you can see we have a common term here. We can cancel it out, and we're only left with sin theta over cos theta. And we know that is same as tan theta. In exam, you don't need to follow all these steps. You can just jump some steps out and you are done. So let's look at question number 2. We still have the same goal here. Express 1 minus tan theta sin theta cos theta in terms of cos theta, meaning our answer will be in terms of cos theta. So we can have here and we're going to write tan theta in terms of sin and cos. So we have 1 minus sin theta over cos theta times sin theta times cos theta. And again, cos theta is common. We cancel it out. We are left with only 1 minus sin square theta. And we know sin square theta, when you subtract away from 1, that is equal to cos square theta. From the identity we discussed in question number 1. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.